Hello, welcome to Vigyan Pe Charcha. I am Shobita Brutamandal. Today I will discuss about human chromosome number. Scientists have started studying chromosome since late 19th century. But we came to know about the exact number of human chromosome in 1956. But why? Because it was not so simple as less numbered invertebrates which were studied at that time. Secondly, the morphology of human chromosome was also not so simple as the model organisms which were studied in genetics research or which were used in genetics research. The study of chromosome was done through the human testicular tissue in which haploid cells were there. Now, Theophilus Penter reported that humans have 48 chromosomes in the year 1923. Now, what went wrong? He prepared slides by microtomy and stained the tissue with hematoxylin dye. In this process, it was difficult to observe a given nucleus to be visualized simultaneously. Then he collected the testicular tissue from institutionalized individuals who have some chromosomal aberration. Ruddle in 2004 suggested that Penter's error was there with chromosome number 1. Chromosome 1 is a metacentric chromosome, and near its centromere region it has got heterochromatin, which means it takes deep stain. But Penter's hematoxylin dye was unable to stain the heterochromatin region of that near centromere and considered chromosome 1 as 2 chromosomes. Tizio and Levan used squash technique, which was able to spread a single layer of chromosome. This technique was further improved by the treatment of hypotonic solution and cell fixation. Another improvement was the use of colchicine, a plant toxin, to arrest the cell division at metaphase by breaking the spindle fibers. Now, most condensed chromosomes were found. They were arranged in pair. Many samples were taken, and then it was confirmed that humans have 46 chromosomes. So now you know why it took such a long time to know the exact number of human chromosomes. Thank you very much.